Hello. As part of the NICE program, or Norton Institute for Continuing Education, Wheaton College in Norton is once again presenting an open to the public lecture series. Each Friday, starting March 6th to April 10th from 10 a.m. to 11:15 a.m., Professor Ann Sears will present The American Voice in Music. As we celebrate the 250th birthday of the United States in 2026, you will hear music across all genres that is recognized as quintessentially American in character, such as Scott Joplin's Maple Leaf Rag, George Gershwin's Rhapsody in Blue, or Aaron Copland's Appalachian Spring. This course will examine how that distinctive American character in music evolved, what musical traditions contributed to it, and why that voice is now so important to musical cultures around the world. This lecture will take place at the Wheaton College Watson Fine Arts Center, Room 222. Attendees may park across the street in Lot 2, and there will be elevator access available in the building. Interested persons must register in order to be entered into the course, and there is a $50 fee per person. Checks payable to NICE may be mailed to P.O. Box 894, Norton, Mass. 02766. A link to the registration form may be found in the video description. Stay tuned for future announcements concerning events found in Norton. Thank you.